The Life Cycle of a Monarch Butterfly, an educational movie by Peyton Smith. The egg is a tiny, round, oval, or cylindrical object, usually with fine ribs and other microscopic structures. The female attaches the egg to leaves, stems, or other objects, usually on or near the intended caterpillar food. The caterpillar, or larva, is the long, worm-like stage of the butterfly or moth. It often has an interesting pattern of stripes or patches, and it may have spine-like hairs. It is the feeding and growth stage. The chrysalis, or pupa, is the transformation stage within the caterpillar tissues are broken down and the adult insect structures are formed. The adult is the colorful butterfly or moth that is usually seen. It is the reproductive and mobile stage for the species. The adults undergo courtship, mating, and egg-laying. The adult butterfly or moth is also the stage that migrates or colonizes new habitats. Monarch butterflies begin life as eggs and hatch as larvae that eat their eggshells and subsequently the milkweed plants on which they were placed. Fattening larvae become juicy, colorful caterpillars, then create a hard protective case around themselves as they enter the pupa stage. They emerge as beautifully colored black, orange, and white adults. The colorful pattern makes monarchs easy to identify, and that's the idea. The distinctive pattern warns predators that the insects are foul-tasting and poisonous. Monarch butterflies are known for the incredible mass migration that brings millions of them to California and Mexico each winter. North American monarchs are the only butterflies that make such a massive journey, up to 3,000 miles. The insects must begin this journey each fall ahead of the cold winter, which could kill them if they wait too long. Only monarchs born in late summer or early fall make the migration, and they make only one round trip. By the time next year's winter migration begins, several summer generations will have lived and died, and it will be last year's migrators' great-grandchildren that make that trip. Yet somehow these new generations know the way and follow the same routes their ancestors took, sometimes even returning to the same tree. What is a chrysalis? A chrysalis is the third stage of the butterfly life cycle. It's also another word for cocoon. What is the definition of life cycle? A life cycle is the continuous sequence of changes undergone by an organism. What is the meaning of metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a change in form from one stage to the next in the life history of an organism. What is migration? Migration is the long-distance trip of an individual organism from one location to another.